You need to have one tool to manage your risk, or otherwise you will have 100 of spreadsheets all over the place, and you won't be able to manage really your risk. Centralized data, centralized vendors, risk, assets, all together into one tool. You will be able to really see which is the real risk of your company. And as well, OneTrust provides us with the capabilities to put the controls. It's difficult to put a number on how much, but it's easier. It helps me to sleep better. If someone from the executive board come tomorrow and say, this company has had a breach, I know that I can go to one tool, OneTrust, and review our risk with them, which assets we have with them, which is the risk that we have. The governance of AI, it's different from other things because there is regulations that are only AI oriented. AI came, people have started to use AI without any kind of governance. I think that we are all now realizing we need to do something on that, and that's really another key thing for next year. To have one tool, that in our case is OneTrust, to be able to have the information from everywhere. All countries, all regions put information in OneTrust. If they want to check something, they can go to the same tool. If you put everything together into one tool, you can see that with the same control, you are able to comply with a lot of different regulations. If without OneTrust or without the tool that helps you to do that, I think that's impossible to manage.